because I saw something up here. Some abandoned buildings to check out. And here's Drew's Mini Mart. Right. That's so sad to see. Got a big old hole in the ground. Fugates, F-U-G-A-T-E-S, has seen better days. Let's check it out. Oh. Let's see it. Now that's been closed a long while. Yeah. Man. Let's check out this big building. Wow, it's people been up in there. Look at the graffiti on that. Wow. Yeah. I better get out of here. Some houses up on the hill, but I guess that's it for that. There's a holler. Man. Some scary graffiti, man. They don't make flowers or nothing. Why not flowers, graffiti people? Why not flowers? Something more, positive. Alright, let's go. Alright, so how are we going to get out of here? Entertainment Center. Yeah, what is this? The wolf head doors. Overhead doors. So there's stuff over there. This must be it. Oh great, now the light's not working. Alright, here we go. Woo! There it is. Look at that. Drew's Mini Mart. Imagine that. Bunch of appliances. There's the open heart surgery billboard. Alright, I'm trying to see if there's a sign. It tells us what area that was. I'm sure I can find out later. Bonnyman. Yeah, I'm going to say that was Bonnyman. Or close to it. B-O-N-N-Y-M-A-N. We'll find out later. Furniture store on the left, but you can't see it now because of that big truck. Alright, see you in Hazard, March 26, 2026.